Okay, so Mandy has 8 yellow cubes, correct?
Yes.
And then Safar, that is not a common name. How do you say this name? Okay. And 7 red cubes, right? Sharifa has 7 red cubes. Now, how many cubes do they have together? What is the keyword? I want everybody to circle all together. Okay. What does all together mean? Yes, Joanne. Very good. So you take this thing and you put this thing together, all together. So what does that mean? Plus, right? So over here you see 8 plus 7 equals 15, like Joanna said, right? So, but the way you can check yourself is you can take 15 minus 8. It will equal 7, right? And then you take 15 minus 7. It will equal 8. That means you got the what? You got the correct answer. Okay, that part we all remembered, right? Okay, now we have 2-digit. Are you ready for 2-digit? Now we can do 2-digit. Okay, Alan bought 14 strawberries. Now, Nella bought 17 strawberries. How many strawberries did they buy? What is the keyword? All together, right? Now, when you go home and you do your homework, I want you to always remember the keyword. There are some keywords that Miss T taught you. Where's your pencil? One pencil, one user. Okay, good. Okay. Remember the keywords, and you will not fail. Because you have to think. All together. Plus. Fewer. Minus. Right? Okay? Okay, now. So this is still plus, because look at the bar. Okay, now, if they have a number here, and they have a number here, and they draw the whole entire bar with the question mark, that means we have to plus these two, and then the answer will be all together, right? It means all together means this bottom, these two has to be together. So what do we do? 14 plus 17 equals what? Okay, let's do it. 14 plus 17. What is 4 plus 7? 4 plus 7? No, 4 plus 7, 31. No, it's 11. And then put the 1 over here, right? So there is 3 tenths, like 1, 2, 3, 3. What is the answer? 31. 31. Always bad handwriting with this. Okay, they bought 31 strawberries. Now, do we just finish the question like that?
No.
It's done? Is it done?
No.
What do we do? What do we need to do?
Check.
Exactly. So you all remember. Okay. Okay, so now what we do is we take 31 and put it where? Over here. Because it's bigger, right? Can 14 minus 31? No. All right. So we put 31 over here. And what do we put? Let's put 14 first, okay? And let's go over here. Find an empty space. 31 minus 14. Here's the tricky part. Do you remember how to do this?
Yes.
1 minus 4.
No.
Right.
Because
It's not big enough. He is not big enough. He's the little brother. 4 is the bigger brother. So you gotta ask to borrow it from the 10. So you put 1 over here. Some people will write 10 over here, right?
Yeah.
But you can put 1 over here. That makes this 11, right? So 11 minus 4 equals.
7.
And then we have 2 over here because 1 got taken away, right?
Yes.
You say, here, you can borrow 1, right?
Yes.
Here, you can borrow 1. So now I have 2. Now 2 minus 1 equals?
1.
Yes, where is it? over here, 17, right? Oh, so this is correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now we got to check another way.
7.
Right?
Minus.
So is that it? Are we done? Are we done? No. We are not done. We got 31 minus what?
70.
Very good, thank you. And then, what do we do over here? We can calculate it this way, right? 31 minus 17. Okay, 1 minus 7?
No.
No, what do we do? Ask number 3, say, can I borrow 1? Like that, right? Okay, minus 2, minus 1, that's equals 2. And we have 11 over here, right? Now, 11 minus 7 equals
4.
4. Now, over here is 3? Is it 3?
No.
It's 3, huh? It's 3, right?
No.
Oh, it's 2. Okay, so over here we have 14. And we're going to write 14 over here. Now, where is the 14? 14 is here. So 14. So 17. So do we do that correctly this time?
Yes.
So everybody remember, right? Okay. When you go back home and you do your homework, you just picture Miss T standing in front. Okay? Because Miss T cannot go to your house and do all this with you together, right? So you need to what? Put it in your yes. Okay, everybody, let's read together. There are 460 primaries, 2 student. Pupil means student. Okay. Over here, I'm gonna say student because you're not used to that word yet. Okay. In a school, 416 primary, 2 pupils in the school. Pupil means students. Okay. Now listen. Here's the key point. 248 are girls. Right? How many primary 2 boys are there in school? What do we do? If you know, raise your hand. Oh, see, nobody knows. Yes, I call. Yes, I call. Joanna. Okay, why? Why 416 minus 248? Why? Why? Because we need to know how many boys. Good answer. Ooh, good answer. Gives me the chills, make me happy. See? 1 dojo point for you. Okay, now let's put 416 minus 248. Why 416? Why don't we put 200 in front? Amber. Very good. See, complete answer. Can we have one word answer? Do I like it? I don't like it. I like full sentence. Very good, very good. Okay, let's do it, okay? Let's do it. All right, 416 minus 248. 6 minus 8? No, what do we do? Ask him for help. And then over here, it's going to be nothing, right? Okay, let's take care of this first, okay? 16 minus 8 is what? Very good. And then, oh, there's nothing over here. What do we do?
You need to borrow the 4.
Yeah, whoever's in front, you're going to say, help me, right?
Yes.
Okay, over here is 3. And then, so over here we have what? 10. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 4 equals?
6.
Good. And then 3 minus 2.
1.
how many students how many boys? 168. Woohoo! Right? So that's how we got the answer. Oh, 68. Sorry. 68. Okay, now. Check. Next, Francis. Oh my God. Oh, over here too, right? Thank you, Francis. Wow, Francis. This is the first time I saw you raise your hand. Everybody, clap your hand for Francis. Woohoo! Yes. Next one's gonna be Ethan. Ethan's gonna be raising his hands too. I have a feeling. Okay. Now we gotta check the answer. We finished this. So okay, we done? Are we done?
Yeah.
Oh, we're not done. We gotta what? Check. Now on your workbook, we don't have this column over here, okay? We don't have this little girl to remind you to check, right? But you still have to write it on the side to check, remember? Okay. Now, what do we do over here? 248 plus 168 equals, wait, sorry. No, but we still gotta count it one by one. Okay? Because practice makes perfect. So we gotta practice. 248 plus 168. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. If I'm not doing it right, you have to remind me. Yes, Aaron? Very good. That's what I said. Did I write anything wrong? Good job. Now we have 400. Can we write? What do we write up here? Tell me. 416. Oh, no, it's these two together to get this. Oh, yeah. So 2. Yeah, we have to add these two together. 48 plus 168. Yeah. That, okay? 8. Very good. And then we carry on that 1 on top of?
1.
On top of 4. We carry on the 1 on top of 4, right? So it's 5 plus 6. 11. We put the 1 down. We carry on the 2 up here to 2. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, so that is the correct answer because 416 is over here, right?
Yeah.
And then we have 248 is here. So over here, the question mark will be 168. Okay? All right? You're being Ethan, are you here to do this? Okay, good. And Francis, come on, you can do it? Yes, Francis, good. Okay, now number 4. There, everybody together. Where's everybody?
There were 21 mangoes in a box.
6 mangoes were rotten. What's rotten? Okay, do you remember when we were feeding the beetle for science class? And I put the guava in there? And it turned green? And it's bad already? That's rotten. Do you remember? We saw the look at the beetles after we came back from the weekend. On a Monday, we see the guava is all green, right? And then it's like a little bit furry. Ew. Can we eat that? Right? So that is what we call rotten, okay? Rotten means it's no good anymore, all right? Means it's no good anymore. Okay. Remember that, okay? Somehow that is a key word here. Some people doesn't know what's rotten, so they're like, oh, and then it just affects the way they're gonna solve the problem, okay? Now 6 mangoes were rotten. So how many mangoes were what? Not rotten. So we got to find out the green cubes over here, right? Okay, so what do we do? 21 minus 6. Okay, so 21 minus 6. 1 minus 6? Ethan, come back. 1 minus 6? Karen, sit properly. No, what do? Ask, choose for help. Yes, now 110. And then switch this to, yes, switch it to 10 actually then. So switch it to, put a 1 over there. And then we have 11 minus 6 equals? Very good. What do we write over here? 1 minus nothing. 1. So the answer is? 15. 15 good mangoes, right? 15 good mangoes, okay? Francis, did you write it down? Good job, Francis. He's already done. Look at him. Oh, okay. 15 mangoes were not rotten, okay? How do we double check it to see if we are right or wrong? How do we double check? Check. Yes, we plus them together, but what number though? What number though? Yes, 6 plus 15. Oh, well, let's write 15 on top because I'm more used to that. Yeah, 15 plus 6. Okay, 5 plus 6.
11.
Yes, and then we carry the 1 on top. So it's 1 plus 1 equal 21. Are we correct? Yes. 21 is over here. 15 is what? Over here. And 6 is what? Over there. Right? Don't draw your books. Just trying to show you where they are, okay? Do we have a question? Raise your hand if you have a question. Okay, raise your hand. I have a question? I have a question. I do have a question. Oh, Cece, you have a question? Yes.
The 4 digit.
How about a 4 digit? Honey, so the key is, if you feel like you're struggling on reading the question, remember all the keywords I told you. Fewer means less, right? All together means less, right? There. And then there's one more keyword, it's called more than. Oh, that's what plus, right? Now another thing that's really a key. Let me erase all of this. Let me erase all of this, okay? Listen. If there is a total over here. Oh, sorry. Thank you. See, what do I do without you? This is why sometimes I need you to remind me. Right? Because the teacher has a million things running in my head that I want to tell you. Okay? All right. If there is an answer over here, right? Correct? 45. Sorry. 45. Right? And then there is an answer over here, right? Let me tell you a little secret, okay? Say properly, Michael. Very good, Francis. So awake today. Okay. If there's an answer over here, and there's an answer over here, and there's a question over here, it usually means minus. Okay? That's a little secret. Okay? Understand? Okay. Now, if there is an answer over here, okay, let me erase this. Let me tell you a secret. Okay, now listen. If there is an answer over here, and there's an answer over here, right? And there's no answer over here, okay? There's no answer over here. But there's an answer over here, there's an answer over here, but no answer over here. And you see this bar? Thank you! That's a little secret. But doesn't mean that I tell you the secret, you can just give the story. You still need to what? Read the question. Okay, read the question. Mostly, here's a description. And then the question is here. But this is very important because sometimes, stop dropping your things. You have 2 pencils on your table. There's supposed to be 1 pencil and 1 eraser. Okay, Michael? Come on, get up, so you don't miss it. Sit down so you don't miss it. Okay, that means this is what? Plus. It's going to plus this and this plus together, so it will be this. Okay? But always read the question. Just because a description has a description, sometimes the question could be a little bit tricky. Just like our homework about Joshua and Paul, remember? That one was really tricky. I almost got tricked too. I had to read the question twice. Understand? If you don't understand, read it again.